Next, a solid rectangular block of dimensions 4.4 meters, 2.6 meters and 1.6 meter is cast into a hollow cylinder pipe of internal radius 30 centimeters, thickness 5 centimeters and find the length of the pipe. Means what? It's very simple. This is a rectangular block. These are the dimensions 4.4, 2.6 and 1. Now this is a metal. It's filled metal. It's not an hollow one. Now what we do? We melt this and make a cylinder out of this. Now this cylinder is hollow from inside. Just it has a thickness of 5 centimeter and the internal radius is 30 centimeters. Okay. So external will be how much? 30 plus 5, 35. Okay. Okay. So now we got, and what we have to find? We have to find the length of this pipe. So what if, logically what will be the same? The volume of this metal and the volume of this pipe or this metal in the pipe will be the same. So there will be 3 steps in our problem. First is step number 1, find the volume of this. Step number 2, find the volume of this metal. And then step number 3, equate this volume to this volume, right? These are the 3 steps. We'll go step by step. Step number 1, volume of the rectangular block 4.4 meters by 2.6 meters by 1 meter. So 11.44 cubic meters. Now what we want is, this is in centimeters. So we'll have to convert either this into meters or this into centimeters. So it's easy to convert meter into centimeters because zeros are added. So 11.44 meter cube. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 meter square. Sorry, 1 meter. No, I think it's easier to convert centimeter to meter. That becomes easier to solve. Okay, so we'll keep it as it is. Volume of the rectangular block 11.44 cubic meter. We'll find the volume of this and then convert it to meter cube. Now volume of the metal. So first find the outer diameter, diameter or outer volume basically, and then inner volume and then subtract. This is a bigger step. So outer volume equals to pi r square h, right? So pi r square h means what? What is our outer edge? Outer r, 30 plus 5, 35. But that is in centimeters. We have to convert this to meters. So 22 by 7 into 0.35 the whole square into h. H we don't know. We have to find out. Okay. So 22 by 7 into 0.35 into 0.35 into h. Right? That much. Okay. Inner volume. Inner volume again pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into 0.3 into 0.3 into h. Right? So that is the inner volume. Now metal. What will be the metal? Outer volume minus inner volume. So 22 by 7 into h. That is common for both. Okay. So 22 by 7 into h common. So 0.35 square minus 0.3 square. Right? So what it is? 0.35 square is 1225. Adjust the zeros. 0.1225. See here, Vedic maths again. You are tried by Vedic maths, it's very easier. 3 square is 9, so 0.3 square is 0.09. Subtract it, 0.1216. Metal equals to 22h upon 7 into 0.1216. Don't find the answer for this because we have to equate it now. See here, we had 3 steps. One was of the rectangular block, second is of the metal. Now we have to equate this metal to rectangular block. Now we have found out the volume of both rectangular block and the metal. So both are equal because they are made from the same material. So rectangular block equals to metal. So 11.44 was the earlier volume of this block, equals to 22 by 7 into h into 0.1216. Okay, now solve for h. H equals to 7 on this side, 22 on this side, 0.1216 over here. Solve for points. 2 points gone, 4 points gone, 2 zeros in the numerator, right? 1144 into 7 into 100 by 22 into 1216. Now solve this. 52 by 7 into 100 upon 1216, right? Again go for Vedic maths because you won't be able to do it by normal maths or it will take huge time. So if you go by Vedic maths, you will find out that the answer is 30 meters. So the height of the cylinder is